are going to have to press the gearbox also.
That was epic!
We have all the pieces right here, we can inspect their condition. Here's the truck. Expensive one and cheap. Both pretty similar and they were about similar to that. And here we go. The cheap one lose and expensive wins. I think I'm going to crush it really slowly. First just 1 centimeter. Yeah, now it's cracked there. I'm not sure is that steel or aluminum. I think I have to take magnet and test. But the maximum force that we used was 40 tons. And at least with that, but let's see if the expensive one is any better. Uh-oh, it's going to explode. Let's see the end result. Holy, check this. It was plastic shoe. We thought that the cheaper one is going to be made out of plastic. This is like the worst case scenario for your feet ever. And here we go.
Oh no!
Uh-oh. The steel cap is too much for the spikes. Yep, so new shoe is in. Yeah, let's have a look. We have to take the leather part off to see. We already got some surprises, but this is the biggest surprise of them all. Because in this shoe, steel cap. What the f? These have to be from different year. The left and right boot.